I was working on a new project here where I needed a switch with which I could reverse the polarity. And I want to keep this video very short. Anyway, this is that circuit. Here you see, say, the classical way of switching the polarity between two lines, negative or positive here, or negative or positive here. And I wanted an indicator for the light emitting diodes. And found, of course, that LEDs have different properties. When we are talking about a red LED or talking about a green LED. For the red LED, it worked nice to connect here a 10K resistor of 0.5 watt, and also here. But for the green LED, I needed other resistors, other value resistors, and you can surely see here that there are two resistors bridged together. They form a resistor in the order of 1 kilo ohm, and I found I had to use two of them bridged, say, to solve the problem of heat. And that has everything to do with the way that I want to make this circuit and need to make that circuit. It has to work between, say, 6 volts and 40 volts. And of course we know when we are talking about light emitting diodes, they need a constant current, but of course when the voltage here goes higher and higher, the current also will go higher and higher, etc., etc. But I did not want to make a very elaborated circuit, wanted to keep it as simple as possible, so used only here fixed value resistors. Anyway, so when the polarity changes here via that switch, the red LED switches on or the green LED. At the moment the positive is here on this lead. So we have here positive, here we have negative, and in that case the red LED lights up. At the moment on 40 volts. Well, that's quite high. And like I told, the current flowing in that LED circuit will also be quite high, etc., etc. My camera starts to flicker, so I have to be very short. Now I reverse the positive and the negative here, and now the green LED lights up. You can surely see it, and I've tested it out all experimentally and found that this circuit worked properly between, say, 6 volts and 40 volts. And that are, say, the voltages that are needed in the new circuit that I am working on. Thanks for watching. This is the schematic, very simple. Like I told, different resistors used for the red LED and the green LED because they differ in their properties, and there's much more information on my YouTube channel about that. Anyway, let's finish with a interesting green LED that lights up in the dark.